Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 1985 Chevy Silverado C10. This is a long wheelbase. It has been swapped with an LS, fuel-injected engine. It has four-wheel drive. The work was done in early 2020, I believe. It's only got 6,000 miles since the engine swap was done. Got a custom interior, some nice upgrades on it, and we're excited to present it to you. We're going to take you around, show you everything we see on it, point out the good, the bad, make you comfortable and confident in making a purchasing decision. We do sell a lot of our vehicles sight unseen, and we rely heavily on these videos. As you see there, LED lights in the camera, those are LED tail lights. They're not flickering in person, but through the camera here they are. Again, this is a four-wheel drive truck. It's black and silver, as you can see. The paint's got some blemishes in it. It's not perfect. It's a good candidate for a respray at some point or to be left alone. It looks pretty good. It's got a brand new set of BF Goodrich tires. The previous owner spent about $1,600 on a tire set for it. You can see here a little bit of clear peeled off on that. A lot of original paint on this truck. Here you can see these all-terrains. They're brand new tires, basically. They've worn lockers on the front. Car obviously has a lift on it. It's super solid. It's got a couple small areas of some rust bubbles and things like that, but it's very consistent front to back. As you can see, it's got newer updated LED headlights on it. It really runs and drives awesome. Cold start, it fires right up. It sounds mean. It's got a 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission in it, actually, that the prior owner upgraded on it, which was a nice upgrade. It works beautifully. Truck shifts really well. It drives down the road really well. It's got new brakes on all four corners, so it stops nice and straight and confidently. Sorry for the little glare on the camera there. We fight in the sun in a black truck. It gets quite a bit of reflection on the camera. As you can see, the cab body is super solid. Couple little spot right there. Some normal stuff, easy cleanup stuff. Again, some usual clear coat. Peeling. We know there's definitely some paint on the truck from some point in time, and the clear coat peeling is likely from not having wax on it over the years, but all in all, it looks really good. It's just we want to point this, bring this to your attention just so you know what you got. It does have a backup camera. It's got an Alpine head unit with Apple CarPlay on it. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. It's a nice touch screen with USB charging ports and all the good stuff in it. Nice fall day here, so we've got a little bit chillier weather and leaves all over the place. A couple little rust bubbles there. All in all, the box is pretty solid on it, though. You'll see when we get underneath that it's super dry. All the body mount positions are really nice. And then inside, we've got a custom interior, power windows, power locks. The windows are a little slow, which is normal on these GMs of this era, but they do work properly. As you can see there, the doors, the weep holes are clear, nice and solid. Up inside the pillar. Striker and all the way around. The interior on this truck is super clean and sharp. It's a non-smoker. It's got a new carpet kit in it. This custom bench seat with a custom armrest, which is really cool. And you'll see it's got the full digital dash installed in it, which again on camera might look a little flashy and funky, but because of the LEDs, but it's a really nice setup. It looks great, fully functional. And the door cards are nice. It's a really badass truck, to be honest. Nice side steps for easy entry. Again, inside the frame, nice and solid there. It's got a steering wheel, custom steering wheel with radio control on it. As you can see, it's got a new carpet kit. And you can see the pleated seats with seat belts. Interior is super nice and cool on this truck. With floor shift 4-wheel drive. Column shift trans. You can see the dash all lit up here. The air conditioning blows cold, as far as we can tell with the cold weather. The truck is really well situated to make a great daily driver. It really, really runs out nicely. It drives nice and straight, as you'll see. We're going to take it for a ride. We'll put it up in the air, show you all around it. Inside the glove box here, we've got quite a bit of paperwork on the truck from prior purchase, some of the trans work that was done on it, brake work, I believe, tires, all sorts of things like that. The steering wheel control works nicely. Tilt wheel, windshield wipers. And here you can see the LS swapped. This came out of I believe a late 2000s Chevy Silverado. It's got the Vortec V8 in it. A cold air intake kit. See there your AC compressor. But it runs really well. Doesn't smoke. Sounds really good. Got a nice exhaust system on it. And it makes great power. You can see the running lights and the headlights, and we'll take it for a spin. There's no suspension noises or any rattles. Everything feels nice and tight as it should. This truck was done again in roughly 2020, we believe, and a lot of this stuff was going through on the suspension and whatnot when they did the engine swap. Track's nice and straight. The alignment feels really good on it. We don't see any cupping on the tires. They look like they're in great condition. And under heavy braking, it stops nice and straight too. So no pull to the left or right. A lot of confidence driving this again. And with this swapped engine, it's a perfect candidate for a daily driver. Doesn't smoke, it makes good power. Again, it sounds awesome. As always, we encourage you to call us or text us anytime with any questions or comments. You can reach us at 312-420-3696. We'll get it up in the air here in our shop so you can get a good look on a 4-post lift of the lower edges of the panels and what have you. You can see the fitment of the panels is really nice, the doors. And you can see the underside of the truck is super solid. The frame's nice and dry. Again, that usual area on the bed where water and dirt tend to culminate. But the rockers are solid. The pinch welds look good. Again, we've got a nice pile of receipts on it. It does have a sliding rear window in it, which is great as well. But give us a call. Reach out to us anytime, 312-420-3696. Or you can find us online at chicagocarclub.com. We really appreciate you taking a look today, and we look forward to speaking with you soon about it.